Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Part 2 of the braiding video. This time I'm going to show you how I normally braid so that I don't have to worry about that natural braiding. What I will do is I will pick a group strand. We're going to go again with the black and yellow. Braid it as you do a braid, and then when the black and yellow strand comes back to your right hand, pull it out just like you did before, but this time you don't need that pressure on top because you can just simply pull it out every single time, black and yellow, and you know that it's not going to get tangled. Simple as that. Keep it in mind if you're ever going to make long braid strands, because it will save you a whole lot of untangling and headache. Y'all have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.